Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Where there is a self-origination that is beyond causes and conditions, we work at stopping the births and endings of causes and conditions. This path that we demarcate with our praise and blame is pure. Supreme bliss works to burn up the sprouts. Our self-awareness wants to investigate the three times, and we believe our own objectives to be delusional dreams. If we turn away from our own objectives, we will not succeed. Our knowledge is in fact a delusion. Our wisdom is just the same. We have realized the extreme of permanence. Someone who clings to a foolish position, who advocates existence while he believes in non-existence, is like a rock from the earth that cannot be gold. The past and the future are obvious by their own names. There is not anything at all. Emptiness is great. We have been destroyed by the four validations that are beyond any extremes. This is not established. It is not still. It will be destroyed. It is empty. Both nihilism and the middle way are extremes. For something that is non-dual, they see a duality. There is no good or evil, but we create good and evil. There is no clean or dirty, but we hold to things being clean or dirty. Through the experience of being finished, we do not strive. We use two intents about which we are uncertain to make our certainty about the two into one. Hybrid beings are not reliable, but we hold them to be reliable. When something is a lie, we see it as the truth. In the great and spontaneous realization of our own minds, our blessings take the part of being definite. In our true natures, we have nothing to take up or to put down. But we cling to our ideas about taking things up and putting them down. We see there to be a duality. There is a magnificent and non-dual wisdom, but we divide it into the duality of methods and knowledge.